Hey, this is a Nissan Armada 05 to 2015, pretty well the same. And we're going to work on, I'm taking the quarter glass out, and they are mechanically fastened, so it is bolted in. And this is just like some of the other ones I did. A video recently was on a Toyota Sienna. And it's a bolt-in deal. You gotta remove the paneling. And what's difficult with this one is you have the airbag. You gotta move out of the way. But I've got a 14 millimeter right back here for the seatbelt. That's gonna come off. I pull this, tug this back. Hard part about this one today, the one I'm working on, is I don't have any power to this vehicle, so of course I can't lower the rear seats. Oh, geez. So it's getting a little difficult to do. But we're gonna work around it as best we can. So we've removed this rear seat belt, pulling this panel. It's got some clips. It does have a Phillips head here, I think, that will need to come out. Okay, so we've got a Phillips head screw here. It's going to help us remove this interior paneling. So we're going to drop that right there. All right, now there is a seatbelt cover here. It needs to come off, and another 14 millimeter bolt. We got a 14 millimeter for this seatbelt. Great. I don't think there's any other fasteners holding this on there, but we're about to find out. No. Just pull this out of the way. Okay, so like I said, this quarter glass is bolted, and it has a bolt here, 10 millimeter, and 10 millimeter here. And the problem is you have the airbag here that's blocking. You have to undo this and slightly move it out of the way in order to get that out. It's just how it is on this one. But you do need a deep socket, 10 millimeter, for the fastener for the glass. First, we're going to do this. Just pull that away a little bit. That way we have access to 1, 2. Then we're going to want to disconnect our little antenna here. And then on the back side, we have a latch. This one is not electric, it's manual. But we're going to disconnect it, because even though this glass is manual, the fastener on the glass will attach to the power one. Okay. Once you got everything bolted, bam, there you go.